Oh, what's good? Man, I want to do a little bit of fishing today. It's been a while since I did a video, but hey, it's raining. It's raining hard, actually, but hey. See, one bag, rain. It ain't lightning or thunder. Hey,
My car got me going fast. I just wanna do the dash. Put my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One falls last.
Made it to the spot. Yo, it's still raining, but y'all already know I ain't taking no L's today, so I gotta do what I gotta do. So maybe I don't fall down this hill, cause it's a long way down. Hey, but we in here though. I shouldn't have said nothing. A nigga slipped. I slid almost halfway down the hill. Hey, but I'm in here though. I ain't gonna stop. I told you, I'm not taking no L today. First fish, baby. First fish, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. I was in the rain, and it's the first one I got, baby. Hey, I ain't mad. I don't know how many more I'm gonna catch. Like I said, it's raining and it's getting worse. I'm gonna lie. I feel like first fish I caught, I had maybe like 2 hits, and that's all I had. But hey, now it's still raining. I don't know if you can tell, but it's still raining out here. Yeah, you see it. To be honest with you guys, I didn't think I was gonna catch another one. But thanks to this little guy right here, as 2 on the board, we still getting W's here though. Dude, hey, do me a favor, tell your cousins, your mothers, your daddies, your brothers to come visit me before I leave. Alright? Guys, came out here today to catch pigs, and that's just what I'm doing. Pig all day, baby. Hogs. It's dark, but I'm in the truck. You barely can see me, but hey, it is what it is. I'm done for today. Caught 3. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have more videos coming. Maybe 2 more fishing videos, and I'm gonna have a couple hunting videos. So y'all be ready for that. That's gonna be lit though. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. So y'all stay tuned, okay? Subscribe, like, and y'all see the action, baby. Straight up.